Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to present the expected trading moves of gold futures during the week of July 15, 2018. As you know, the trade war between China and US is claiming commodity market as one of its first victims. China, being the largest consumer of everything from copper to coal, has warned the proliferation of tariffs could cause a global recession. On Friday, reports showed weaker than expected growth in imports and indicators of investment, factory output and retail sales growth fall in May. Despite the fact that US import prices fell the most in more than 2 years in June, as prices for petroleum products fell and a strong dollar weighed on the cost of other goods. US President has been constantly maintaining trade disputes and ensuring losses in commodities, which are likely to remain after the US midterm elections in November, to keep the crude prices at the lowest level. On analysis of the gold futures movement amid currently prevailing recessionary scenario, in a weekly chart I find that gold prices, after coming down from the level of $1363 on April 11th last time during the year 2018, gold future prices are continuously coming towards the downward levels of $1238 on 2nd July 2018. This is a weekly chart where you can see the downward move of gold futures. As I noted in my last few analysis on gold, downward voyage of gold future look like to continue till continuation of this trade war, which is keeping enough pressure on most of the commodities. But now I find that Dallas Fed President Robert Kaplan said on Friday that if the tensions between the US and its trade partners escalate, the Fed's job is not trade policy, it must react to it. Now I find that gold futures are taking support at the level of $1237, and I find that from here they must rally for a little while, as the US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin will hold a summit on July 16th in Helsinki, where they are likely to discuss issues on relations between the United States and Russia. So I find that after July 16th we may see a spurt in short covering in gold futures, and we may find that gold futures will witness a good upward rally from the current levels. Let us have a look at the movement in a 1 hour chart. As you can see that from the level of $1238 on the last trading day of the last week, we found a good buying in gold futures, and here you can see that at the current rate gold futures are trying to get an upward direction from the current levels. Here you can see that 20 days exponential moving average is trying to come over the 20 DMA, which provides a positive signal for the gold futures, which may bring gold futures towards an upward direction. I find that gold futures will try to remain in positive territory. Let us have a look at the movement of gold futures in a daily chart. Here I find that gold futures will try to move upward, and my first target will be up to $1279, and second target will be during the week will remain on the level of $1302 with a stop loss of $1230. I find that there is no doubt that volatility will be on the higher pitch during the next week, but I find that July 16th Helsinki meet will bring some positive news for the precious metal. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel for getting more updated videos on commodities.